Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Today we're joining Kassidy and crew from Team Graveyard Shift. They are at Terror on Route 66. That's right, it's a roadside attraction here on the famous Route 66, just southwest of St. Louis, Missouri. Now do please excuse our audio on this one. This team has done a lot of screaming this year, and these mics were just not having it. But without further ado, let's go in here and get some scares.
Oh, wow. Yes. Freaking A. Already. No, you're good. And just keep. Oh, God. Oh, it's so pretty. Mm-hmm. Love the little. Oh, little doll head. Not the doll. No, not you. Not me. Not Chuck. More dolls. Severed hands. Oh, hello. Oh, shoot. Oh, hey, bestie. Oh man, you got some tailing on along. I think they don't like you. That's me in the morning. Oh man. What they got against dolls? Oh no. Oh. Not the honey, you forgot to clean the toilet again. They messed things up in here. God. Goodness gracious. Hello. So good. I did not even see that she followed you. Oh dear. Oh my. We're okay. Everything's fine. Who knows what's in the dark? Oh, ready to pounce at us. Out. Oh my god. What do I feel like it's gonna be a giant dragon head or some shit? But I also don't.
This way.
Okay. I did not see that one. Hey.
Welcome. I'm Percy, and welcome to my cemetery.
Hello, Percy.
Are you having fun yet?
Yeah.
Good, because you're not getting out of here.
Oh my. Is that a threat or a promise?
Join the living dead.
I would love to, honestly. They seem like they're pretty chill. They seem like they're having a pretty good time. Hello. Like your mongrel burps, whatever that was.
I heard you scream.
I bet you did. I did too.
Joy to me.
Good. Not the.
You're already safe.
Oh my.
That gives me "don't hug me, I'm scared" vibes. Oh, I like this.
Oh, hello.
I like this actually.
I choked on my spit. Hello. Hi. Oh. Yes. Yes.
Can I hug you more? Can I?
There's Clara. I like your big scissors.
Yeah. Can I snip them? Can I?
No. She's gonna snip off your fingies. I hear something down that way.
I like it.
Guess we gotta go to it. We gotta go to it. Oh, I just saw someone crawling.
That big dog.
Oh my!
Oh god, there's a giant alligator head next to you. Freaking A.
Oh! They are foul! Yeah. What's the name?
What's the name on these living logs?
Kassidy and Ashlyn.
Yeah.
All right, come on.
Okay.
All right. There you go. Here we go. You're gonna be late if you don't keep moving.
Okay. Oh. love that. Oh! Hi. Oh, hey. Oh dear. You okay, Bessie? Oh, you're good. You're good. You're good. You look awesome. Okay. Alrighty. We're gonna go on ahead. Oh, no one here. Lovely. Okay, we're gonna keep going now. Ashlyn. I'm sorry, it's a Pepto. Jesus. Let's go! Yippee! Down the forest trail we go. Nothing bad will happen to us here. Oh, we love spooky dark trails. Oh, good. Alrighty. Awesome, possum. I need to take this off. Would you like to go ahead? No. Alright, I'll go. All you, honey. Gotcha. Hello. Don't forget your dog! Oh my god. You got teeth in your...
God, later I'll have this stuff.
Oh,
you got one way.
oh my. Oh, Jesus. Oh my. This is the part I haven't been through before. Oh, great. Yes, I don't know what's about to happen.
Don't go down there!
Well, we gotta go.
It's scary!
Oh, we like scary though.
I'm waiting for you!
Good. We're so glad.
Oh, you waited.
Okay, but I promise that I have abandonment issues. Bush King, huh? Bush King. I was gonna call him Marcus. There's some tomfoolery happening out here. I have a feeling that there is someone in the outhouse. Could be wrong. I was not. Whoa! Whoa! Hi! Whoa! I don't know what I was expecting, but it was. We love the sound. He's probably signaling to everyone else that we're at the dinner. Oh, I like this. It's very aesthetic. It's very nice. Oh.
Are you still here?
Yay! Yes, we are. We are.
I'm everywhere.
There's a bush.
You'll see me again, I promise you that.
Okay. I thank you for keeping your promise before. Bye, Bush King. Marcus, the Bush King. You already know. Oh. We're working on it.
Oh.
But I thought this is the Bush King.
We were told not to run.
Oh, yeah. That too.
Why not?
Well, because, why?
Are you scared?
A little.
I will definitely roll my ankle.
Did you see here?
Yeah!
I told you. I'm everywhere. You can come back in here.
Oh, my brain's small. You wouldn't want mine.
Oh, yeah. Not a lot of good memories up there.
He was like, nah, I'm good. Thanks.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween! So, oh, hey. We'll be oh, what's up? Hello. Bush King wanted us to stay, but you want us to leave. Okay.
Why don't you want us to stay?
I'm antisocial.
Me too.
That's
We
okay.
could just exist together.
Yeah.